these RDC niggas. Fuck these RDC niggas. These RDC niggas don't care about nobody but themselves. Y'all niggas subscribe, man.
This nigga just made a new Steam account, bro.
What? Man, I just see names, bro.
Guess I'll just buy the games again. Man, old as hell, bro.
Go to friends. Don't go friends.
Guess I'll just buy the games again. I'll spend $600 on all this. This ain't my fault. Don't put this. Hold on, bro.
Thank you, bro. That nigga up.
I see Dylan.
He did my nigga Lee up.
Huh?
I see your shit.
I'll spend $800. Guess I'll just buy the games again.
You see it?
I'm done.
You see it? Do you see it? What the fuck? Hello! I'm about to ask somebody else,
bro. I'm fucking crying, bro.
That friend. It's your friends. What? Oh, I see. Oh, here we go.
Fuck, man.
Enter a friend. Whoa, what's your friend's code? Wait, hold on. Let me see.
Nigga old, man. Come on, bro. You're fucking hour in.
I'm a fucking artist, bro.
Come on.
Hold on. I'm about to ask you. Wait. I need a friend code. My friend code is...
Friend code, it's not a switch. It's not a switch.
What you mean? It says friend code right here. I'm about to put it in Discord, bro.
Do the link.
What link, bro?
Press add a friend. And then press copy the link.
I left for 40 minutes. They still on the start screen.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can't copy it. I'll put it in here. Here.
Put the link in the
Discord.
This nigga stupid.
Here. Boom.
Why is this nigga so
You
old? Why is this nigga so old, man?
add it as a friend.
See it?
Yeah, add it as a friend. Stop yelling at me.
That nigga cranky, bro. That nigga cranky.
Yo,
Bro, I'm not
come
cranky.
on,
Y'all
man.
niggas hard to work with, bro.
What? We hard to work with. This nigga finna go to HR. Go to HR. Go to
Guess
HR.
I'll just buy the games again.
Oh, bro. This is my friend. All right, Dylan's my friend right now. All right.
What are you saying about
Hold on, one sec. I'm at 89%. I'm almost there. Work with me, chat. Work with me. We almost there. 90%.
Ah, fuck.
90. I'm almost there.
Fuck.
Hold on, bro.
Oh, fuck. Oh, my gosh.
I'm done, bro. I'm done.
Wait, Ben's not in that bitch yet. What's up? Ben, where you at?
Bro, you the only nigga that's not in here, bro.
Oh, Dylan not in that hoe. Oh, Dylan's in that hoe now.
Oh, my God.
Who's in this or not?
Ah, fuck.
Oh, 94%. 94.
You gave me the download. How do you know that?
I see it on stream.
Oh, fuck. All right. Oh my God.
I couldn't hear it. You screamed, Dylan, but we couldn't hear you, bro. I heard you through the room.
This nigga, man. This nigga, Leland. Oh my God. This nigga's that nigga the funniest nigga in the world, bro. Where's he at? Why he ain't here yet?
Because this shit's still downloading. How he know who won in the game? His shit not even open.
That nigga just talking.
Oh my gosh, bro.
He just chatting.
Hold on, 99%.
Oh, he is just chatting. Say, I guess I'll just buy the games again. There's hella shit on Steam, bro.
Hey, Dylan, they said your mic low, man. Raise it. Hey, Zeno done follow us. Said, hey, Dylan, do you have any H anime recommendations?
All right, so I can just hit play, right?
Oh my gosh.
I'm saying, no, I'm literally saying, like, I don't know if it did the 8-player thing. Right, hold on.
Desmond, bro.
Please, bro, please.
I'm doing it. Do you want to that?
He said, press play. Oh my God.
I'm literally here, bro.
No, you're not.
Where are you?
Oh, shit.
All right, here I am. I'm right here.
That name fucking sorry as hell.
No, please.
I hate when niggas put the area code.
I didn't know. No, I didn't know I was making a new one.
Oh my
bro.
gosh, I hate when niggas put the area code.
I didn't know that. I didn't know it did that, bro. I'm about to choose my character. Y'all niggas playing.
Hey, it's Rochelle. That's the one Rochelle that Drake was talking about.
What?